At Atlas Plumbing and Heating Company, our goal is to improve your life every time we interact with you. We know that what we do goes beyond service. Here's what some of our customers had to say. Patricia Bujarski says, "Both Mario and Foro were professional, answered all my questions, and need a raise for their work. I will definitely refer Atlas for any plumbing needs. I also made a follow-up call and got a quick reply from Pam, give her a raise too." Daley Uy says, "Mr. Foro and his partner did an awesome job of fixing my gas pipe leak. They were professional and answered all my questions. The receptionist was very helpful too. Thank you, Atlas." Whether you've had good experiences with home service companies or bad ones, your experience with us will be different because it will be better. Contact us today to schedule a service.